The success of your application depends on your laser operating properly. Over time, laser output can degrade, causing a negative impact to your process. Accurate measurement of the laser enables the user to control the beam, ensuring delivery of the right amount of power and energy for predictable and repeatable results. So the beam you expect is the one you deliver for medical procedures with consistent and assured outcomes, industrial processes that produce higher quality and less scrap, and scientific research results that are accurate and reproducible. With over 30 years of product innovation, Ophir Spiricon is the global leader in precision laser measurement, including Ophir Optronics power and energy sensors and meters and Spiricon beam profiling systems. Ophir sensors and meters can measure laser energy, power output, pulse repeatability, and frequency from laser sources ranging from ultraviolet to far infrared and everything in between. There is no single sensor which meets the needs of all applications. In order to accommodate different power and energy ranges, absorption discs of different materials, thicknesses, and sizes are needed. The response time of the disc is dependent on their size and shape and is approximately proportional to the aperture. A 50 mm aperture disc is 3 times as slow as an 18 mm aperture disc. The key to accurate and reliable measurements is the makeup of this absorbing surface. It must stand up to repeated use without degradation or change in calibration. Ophir has developed different sensors to measure long pulses, short pulses, and continuous radiation. Ophir's commitment to engineering excellence assures you of having the most accurate sensor with the highest damage threshold on the market today. Laser parameters such as beam diameter, wavelength, maximum and minimum power, energy, repetition rate, and pulse width combine to determine which sensor is the most appropriate for your application. Thermopile sensors measure tens of microwatts to 10 kilowatts. Pyroelectric sensors measure the energy of repetitively pulsed lasers at up to 25 kilohertz and are sensitive to low energies. Photodiode sensors measure fractions of a nanowatt to about 3 watts. Integrating sphere sensors measure diode lasers with divergent beams. RP sensors measure high-energy repetitively pulsed lasers. Ophir Smart Sensor technology enables power meters and sensors to be easily swapped in the field, and with up to 250,000 non-volatile data point storage, you can easily track trends in your laser output or make comparisons between setups and systems. Our handheld color meters allow the user to adjust the color scheme so that you can read your output clearly, no matter how dark the room or what wavelength safety glasses you are wearing. With USB and RS-232 output, Ophir meters can be easily interfaced with other data acquisition and control equipment. These computer interfaces can interface up to 4 Ophir Spiricon sensors simultaneously at up to 25 kHz pulse rates. Quasar provides Bluetooth sensor output, permitting wireless monitoring of sensors located in places where wires would be difficult or impossible to install, or space is limited. For customers who have unique or non-standard applications, Ophir offers OEM Solutions, where we can customize a sensor or meter to your specific requirements. Finding the right sensor for your application has never been easier. Enter your laser's parameters into our Sensor Finder program, and all sensors meeting these input parameters will be displayed on the screen. Whether you're measuring pulse-to-pulse energy at the picojoule scale or 10 kilowatt continuous wave beams, there's an Ophir power meter and sensor for your application. But you are not alone in making the right choice. If you want to discuss your application, an Ophir Spiricon sales engineer can offer their years of experience to your needs and questions. As an ISO 2001-2008 certified supplier, our in-house recalibration services are ready to support your needs for continued assurance of measurement accuracy at the lowest ownership costs today. Our calibration lab is optimized to turn your equipment fast to get it back to you as soon as possible. From soft X-ray to terahertz, picowatts to kilowatts, Ophir Spiricon power and energy meters and sensors ensure success of every laser application, whether medical, military, industrial, or scientific. call 866-755-5499 to discuss your laser application with a Spiricon sales engineer, or visit us on the web at ophirspiricon.com. Ophir Spiricon, the true measure of laser performance.